Love eating hard-boiled eggs? Well, they actually make a great snack at any time of the day, perfect when you need to add a little protein to your salad at lunch. When you include hard-boiled eggs into your diet, you'll get to have a healthy heart, better eyes and stronger bones. What could be better? Why should you eat one boiled egg a day? Lots of protein. One great thing about hard-boiled eggs is that they're naturally high in protein. For the most part, your body needs protein to build muscle mass. Moreover, it repairs damaged tissues and provides structure for cellular walls. It's recommended for your diet to have between 10% to 35% protein. The good news is, one hard-boiled egg provides the body with over 6 grams of protein, so start getting yours. Healthier eyes. Eggs contain several vitamins, and one of them is vitamin A. Vitamin A in eggs is a component of protein that protects the membrane around the cornea, absorb light in your retinas and reduce the risk of night blindness. Eating one large hard-boiled egg adds about 75 micrograms of vitamin A to your diet. Good fats. For starters, over 2/3 of the fat content of boiled eggs come from healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It's highly recommended to replace trans and saturated fats with MUFAs and PUFAs so you can enjoy the benefits it brings. For the most part, these healthy fats regulate your blood cholesterol levels and lessen your risk of heart disease. MUFAs and PUFAs also regulate the amount of insulin in your blood so that your blood sugar can stay within the healthy range. Stronger bones. Snacking on one boiled egg a day will also provide your body with vitamin D to strengthen your bones and teeth. This vitamin promotes the absorption of calcium and stabilizes calcium levels in your blood. It's important to note that you need up to 600 international units of vitamin D each day, and you get approximately 45 international of vitamin D from one large hard-boiled egg. And that's it. Now you know exactly what you stand to gain when you start snacking on hard-boiled eggs. So now what? Well, it's time to start eating those boiled eggs so your body can get all the wholesome goodness it needs. Happy snacking!